Good day, life science students. Welcome to video lecture episode 18. Remember last time we were talking about indoor air pollution. We talked about some just realities of how that occurs, and we also looked at it graphically as well. Well, looking at slide 112, we're going to see one way that we can combat indoor air pollution, and that's with household plants. In fact, NASA has actually approved household plants for improving indoor air quality. There's some example of plants in there that are very helpful. If you notice that little image in the center, which talks about like the aloe vera, the bamboo palm, and the Chinese evergreen, just for example there. Well, it can clean indoor air, plants can, by removing workplace toxins. So this is something that can not only be used at home, but also places where you work. And of course, it also creates oxygen both daytime and nighttime, which is helpful because we need that to breathe, but it also is cleaning out toxins for us as well. Well, let's go ahead and let's talk about water pollution. Well, there's three areas where water pollution occurs. Surface water, where there's pollutants from air or waste dumping from sewage and farming chemicals, which can contaminate both people and animals, which includes birds and fish. We also have pollution in ocean water, where oil spills are a well-known ocean problem, where about 4 billion, get that, 4 billion kilograms of oil are spilled in the ocean annually. Ships also use ocean water to wash out their fuel tanks, so we've already seen two sources of water pollution, surface water and ocean water. And then there's groundwater. Polluted groundwater is difficult and sometimes impossible to clean. Chemicals leaking from underground storage tanks have created groundwater pollution problems. Now look at slide 114 just so you can see what I mean by groundwater. It's water that's located within the earth, and you can see where it is, how deep down it is, and that if that's damaged, you got to keep in mind we have a fixed amount of water. Now let's move on to slide 115 and conclude our lecture here today. In many parts of the world, wastewater treatment is not always possible. Keep in mind, we have wastewater treatment plants, and it's a luxury. Not every part of the world has that. And if you look at slide 115, you can see what I mean, how some places getting clean water is not as easy as we commonly think about it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I do hope this lecture has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave that in the comments below. Have a nice day. Take care.